We're here at the inaugural Big Telecom event in Chicago, and I'm here with Dror Bin, who's the CEO of RAD. Dror, can you talk to me a little bit about what you're focusing on here at BTE?
Well, our prime focus in BTE this year is our distributed NFV solution, which is part of our broader solution for service-assured access. Our distributed NFV solution provides service providers with agility in introducing new services to the customer, to the end customers, while reducing their total cost of ownership. You know, there is a common perception in the industry that when you talk about network functions virtualization, you talk about building very expensive data centers. While this is true in many cases, it is counterproductive in others, because some of the applications actually perform better or has to be in the customer prem and not in the data center due to performance constraints, security constraints, cost constraints, etc. So what we are actually showing here in this event is our solution, which is a powerful layer 2 and layer 3 NID with a distributed NFV engine which can host software applications at the network edge, allowing this agility and better total cost of ownership to the service providers. We're actually talking, you know, putting aside the technology, we are talking about a completely new business paradigm. And let me give you an example. For instance, in the old paradigm of hardware appliances, when a service provider wanted to, let's say, introduce a managed firewall service to a business customer, he had to buy a hardware appliance, he had to schedule the time with the customer to bring this appliance, he had to send the technician to the customer prem, provision the device, and then start work. And maybe in a month or so, when the customer decides he doesn't want the service, he has to send another technician to take out the appliance. In the NFV paradigm, or under the NFV paradigm, all of this is gone. You have just one appliance sitting in the customer prem to which you can displace or place from remote a virtual function or firewall or any other function you want to place there. Even as a try and buy to the end customer, you can play with the device, with the application. If he likes it, he starts paying. If not, it can be displaced. And all of this in a very agile and cost-effective way. So it's a completely new paradigm that is going to prevail in the next coming years.
And I understand you have a partnership on a public proof of concept based around your DNFV solution. Can you talk to me a little bit about that?
Yes, we are very excited. We are actually showing here behind me our multi-vendor distributed NFV POC. We are doing this demo together with Cyan, Fortinet and Certus. This is an ETSI-approved POC, public POC, which is sponsored by CenturyLink. So basically, our ETX NID is hosting the next generation firewall from Fortinet and a virtual function of encryption and decryption from Certus. All of that is being orchestrated by Cyan's Blue Planet. And this is, we believe, one of the first, or maybe the first, deployable solutions of NFV. So basically, from tomorrow, operators can take this solution and start deploying NFV in a very graceful and cost-effective way, because they can invest as they grow. They can put this device with the virtual functions in the customer prem and start immediately make money from it. And when it gains critical mass, then they can go and start investing in the expensive data centers and go for a full-blown solution of NFV.
RAD has always been known as a hardware manufacturer. Obviously, this is a software-centric solution. What kind of resources is RAD dedicating to make this solution successful?
Yes, you know, I was talking before about the change of paradigm. Also for our company's change of paradigm, as you said, we used to be more focused on hardware and embedded software solutions, and now we are also changing ourselves. We have recently announced a new R&D center that we have opened in Israel for programmable networks. It's an investment of more than $30 million in this R&D center. It's going to be focused on NFV and SDN solutions. We already have there 30 software engineers. It's going to grow up to 100 software engineers, focusing only on that, on accelerating our roadmap, on solidifying our leadership in this domain of NFV and SDN going forward, We believe this is the major trend of our industry, and we are embracing it with full force. We got a lot of excitement from our customers about this new concepts of distributed NFV. We just 2 weeks ago been awarded the NFV Innovation of the Year Award at the NFV and SDN Congress in London. So we have a good feeling that we are doing the right thing.
Great. Well, Dror, sounds very exciting. Thanks for talking with us today.
Thank you very much.